Salesforce Trailhead Challenges. Salesforce, one of the leading customer relationship management (CRM) platforms, offers a unique learning platform called Trailhead. Salesforce Badges, the ultimate goal. One of the main objectives of using Salesforce Trailhead is to earn badges that showcase your expertise and skills in various areas of the platform. Trailhead Points, tracking your progress. Earning Salesforce badges is not just about completing modules and projects, it's also about accumulating Trailhead points. Trailhead Modules, building a strong foundation. Trailhead modules are the building blocks of your learning journey. Trailhead Projects, practical application of skills. While Trailhead modules provide theoretical knowledge, Trailhead projects offer a practical application of your skills. Salesforce Skills, the key to success. Learning Salesforce is more than just earning badges and completing modules. It's about developing valuable skills that will benefit your career. Trailhead Community, support and collaboration. The Trailhead community is a valuable resource for users looking to connect with like-minded individuals, share knowledge, and seek support. Salesforce Developer Skills, coding and customization. For aspiring Salesforce developers, Trailhead offers a wide range of resources to help you master coding languages, customization techniques, and best practices for building custom solutions on the platform. Salesforce Admin Skills, configuration and optimization. If you're looking to become a Salesforce administrator, Trailhead provides resources to help you master configuration, optimization, and troubleshooting techniques. Trailhead Super Badges, taking your skills to the next level. In addition to earning badges, Trailhead offers super badges that challenge you to solve complex scenarios and demonstrate your expertise in specific areas of the platform. Learn CRM, mastering customer relationship management. CRM is a crucial aspect of any business, and learning how to effectively manage customer relationships is essential for success. Salesforce Learning Platform, your gateway to success. Salesforce Trailhead is the ultimate learning platform for users looking to enhance their skills, earn certifications, and advance their careers in the tech industry. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce Trailhead offers a unique and valuable learning experience for users looking to enhance their Salesforce skills, earn certifications, and advance their careers in the industry.